Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we have to start with a new lesson, which is Decimals, Chapter 40, Decimals 1, page 130. Are you ready? Let's start. What is a decimal number? A decimal number is a number with a decimal point. Example, 0.1 is a decimal number because it has a decimal point. Another example, 0.3 is a decimal number also because it has a decimal point. Where can you find the decimal numbers? For example, we can find the decimal numbers in the ruler. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and so on. Write decimal fraction in the form of a decimal number. Here we have a decimal fraction. It has 10 down in the denominator. We have 10. Then this is a decimal fraction. For example, 1 over 10. How can we write it as a decimal number? Excellent. We have 1 over 10. Then we write it 0.1. We write the 1 as it is. We count 1 digit. Then we put the point. This is the decimal fraction and this is the decimal number. Another example, 2 over 10, it's equal to what? 0.2. Excellent. This is the decimal fraction and this is the decimal number. One more example, 7 over 10, it's equal to what? 0.7. Excellent. 7 is the 10th digit. Super, students. This is the decimal fraction and this is the decimal number. How to read a decimal number? 0.1, I read it 0.1. This is the whole part. This is the ones digit, okay? In the whole part, we have a number with the ones digit. And this is the decimal part, and this digit is called the 10th digit, okay? Then, we write it 0.1. The point, I replace it by the word point, okay? Or you can write it as 0 and 1/10 because the 1 in the 10th digit. 1 over 10, we call it 1/10. Another example, 0.2. Here we have the whole part and here we have the decimal part. 0.2 or 0 and 2/10. 2 over 10, it's called 2/10. Excellent. 0.7, the same. We have the whole part is 0 and the decimal part is 7. And 7 is called the 10th digit. Let's read it together. 0.7 or 0 and 7/10. If we have a decimal fraction, 7 over 10, we call it 7/10. Excellent. Now you have as a homework to solve exercises number 4, 5, and 6, page 130. In exercise number 4, you have to complete 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10. Complete, okay? 4 over 10, and it's the same as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Excellent, and complete them. In exercise number 5, we have to write in numbers. 3/10 means 3 over 10. Excellent. 0.7, we write 0.7 in numbers. In exercise number 6, we have to write in words. 6 over 10, we write it 6/10. And 0.6, we write it 0.6 or 0 and 6/10. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.